Back at it again, it's your boy T, you know the vibes. Got another shoe, hands-on review for you. Yeah, so let's get straight to it. So today we got the Jordan 1's High Gym Red. If you know me already from the previous videos, you know my love for Jordan 1s is, my love is just crazy. I just love the shoe, I just love the design. Just a fun fact for you guys, if you do not know me, or you haven't seen the shoes I wear the most, my favorite shoe actually is Jordan 1's Breads. So I caught those shoes back in 2016. So my love for Jordan 1 since then has just been growing, and I've been trying to build up that collection. So I try my best to cop every single pair that comes out, just so that I can have a good collection of Jordan 1s in the next few years. But sometimes it's hard because not all Jordans are nice, I should say. Because we have people out there that just copy Jordans just for the fact of the name Jordans. But yeah, me, I love Jordans, and I can even admit that not all Jordans are nice. And I copped these Gym Reds, so you guys already know my size, US 11, Europe 45, UK 10. So yeah, so I just want to say shout out to SNS for letting me cop these shoes. It wasn't too hard, they really came through this time. So this is the second time in a row after the all black Yeezys that they got me to cop as well. So obviously, you know the shoe, when you open the Jordan box, you know the smell already. I love that smell. Shoe is here, the Jordan 1's Gym Red, as you can see. So it's got the Gym Red over here. It's like a darker complexion of green, of red, sorry. Then you got the black all over, then you got the white. Yeah, so with most Jordan's designs, as you have seen, with the likes of the Jordan's 1 Bread Toes and Jordan 1 OG Breads, they tend to use the bright color red, but for this one they kind of went left with it, and they kind of changed the complexion of the red, which is like a darker red, a gym kind of red. I like this shoe, but the only one thing I can say about this shoe that I don't really like is it's got too much black. Like me, like I said, my favorite shoe is the Bread Toe, the Bread 1 OGs, and just the fact that it's got two colors which are both of them are dominant, but for this one it has 3 colors. Yeah, I can see myself wearing this with just like a normal tracksuit, but it wouldn't be my shoe that I would wear, let's say, if I'm trying to go extra, if I'm trying to complement my outfit or anything. I'll just wear this shoe just because obviously Jordan 1s, they're comfortable shoes. It comes with 2 different laces, so it comes with the black ones, which is like a tradition for the Jordan 1 shoes. Then it comes with the red ones as well. So if you're someone that likes to switch it up, you can go black and red, or you can go all red or black. But for me, personally, I'll just keep it all black because the red just look too much, to be honest with you. Because the shoe already is, there's a lot going on with the shoe. So I'll just keep it all black because of too much black that's going on already on the shoe anyway. But yeah, so overall I'll give it a 6. It's a dope shoe. So shout out SNS for letting me cop this shoe. Like I said, it was easy to cop. So yeah, they keep coming through every single time when the shoe drops. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and just look out for the next video coming up.